you gotta take it.
That does not sound good. Yeah, what the hell? No, they've been struggling, man.
What's going on, YouTube family? It's your boy, man, Michael B. Kennedy, and I'm back with another video, man. So on today's video, I'm coming out of Cleveland, Ohio, man. I got the bikes here from New Jersey, Philadelphia, got the truck with me. Had to pull out the truck, man. It was about a 7-hour drive, and I was cooked yesterday. Can't even lie. But anyway, we're here. I got the pre-meet from Fastlane D because this event is today at 3, I think to 5 p.m. But he sent the pre-meet address. So it's about 8 o'clock now. We're linking up with him at 10:30. Kickstands up at 11. We're going to the second location. So that's where we're about to head to, man. We're about to get some gas. About to fill up the bikes, man. Make sure the bikes are clean. Wipe down. All that, man. We washed the truck yesterday. We washed the bikes yesterday. So everything looks good, presentable. And we about to have some fun, man. So I see you guys. Stay tuned, man. And everybody that's been supporting, showing love, man. I appreciate you guys always. And always, always, always ride safe, be safe. But most importantly, have fun. I'll see you out there, all right?
Big boy toys.
Go to the 80s, mid-80s. I was like, damn, bro. Well, we started. I want to get that.
I was talking to my one buddy and I think they're going on.
Tell me when.
Next to him, stand next to him.
What's up, guys? You boy Fastlane D, and today, check it out. We are at we are in filthy Cleveland. Am I allowed to say that? Yeah. I would say that's like Eve's thing. I won't say that. We are in beautiful Cleveland, the land. All right, you guys see it on the back of the shirt here. And Mako's gonna cut to. Have you been taking cinematics?
I'll do it at the gym.
I was gonna say he'll cut to some cinematics.
Right now.
All right, Mako's gonna cut to some beautiful cinematics at the meet. There's gonna be a couple of these sprinkled in here, so we'll cut to those in 3, 2, 1. Whoop! All right, beautiful. All right, then we can go
Behind the scenes, guys. Behind the scenes.
I know, right? All right, then we can go to the walk around. Ready?
If you
All right, real quick before we leave, I'm gonna show you guys. There's some insane bikes out here. So I'm gonna show you around real quick. The first thing that
what brought him out?
the eye over here is you just freaking own one, bro. Fully carbon now, absolutely gorgeous. A carbon windshield too. That's how you know he about that life, man. That's sick. The rear quarter and everything. What else do you have done to this?
So I don't have it tuned yet.
Okay.
But I would like to. But I know they say.
So we gonna gap him today. That's what I'm
maybe.
hearing.
It depends on the rider.
Okay.
All
right.
But I got the AR exhaust on it.
Yeah.
Definitely full carbon. I like that. I like to keep the silver because it like makes it pop. I do want the gold wheels, and I want to do the brakes. The Brembo brakes is important because.
Oh yeah, bro. The brakes on these are ass.
Terrible.
I don't know what Yamaha.
Terrible, bro.
Brembos are a must. Yeah. Beautiful Jixer over here, standing lower. Yo, hold on. This thing, yeah, that's just tough, man. This thing, special place in my heart. This is my first bike after my 50cc Super. So seeing this again always brings back good memories, man. Mine was all black. This is way better condition than mine was in. Mine was a piece of shit. Got bearings flying off, you know, all the everything was after working and dropped.
The fuck is that guy?
Oh, shit.
Shoots, é louco, meu Deus.
You coming first!
Oh my God!
So we gonna gap him today. That's what I'm.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
That tomorrow? Oh, tonight? No, hell no.
You got to edit.
You want to? Well.
Are you coming out to dinner though? What year is yours?
Where y'all going?
I don't know. He's going to take me somewhere for
Yeah, brother. Hold on. Yeah, they numbered 2020. I'm surprised they weren't numbering the whole time. That's weird. All right, let's go. Right here, all right. I don't want to screw this up.
Right. With this Gucci belt. Exactly.
That's tough, bro. Hell yeah, bro. My guy, I appreciate you, man. That's dope as fuck, man. R1 gang right here, baby. That's what's up, man. How do you like the exhaust short? I like it because I just want to do something different. I've never seen anyone else do that. I really don't mind it. I didn't want to go to the SC, and honestly, at the time, I just wanted a company that wanted to work with me, and AR was the one that worked with me, so they sent that out. Yeah, they took care of you, boys, man.
I gotta get a different seat because that seat's hard.
I need to get one, yeah. I don't have one of my custom seats out. Yeah, seat makes a big difference. That's one of those small things you can do, like it just makes everything kind of like flow. Yeah. So I'll get custom seats probably for all of them. Yeah, and then put your name up top. Yeah. On my H2, it says Bad City on CS top. So if I sell it, then I'll keep the seat. You gotta take it. That does not sound good. Yeah, what the hell? What the hell? Oh, they've been struggling, man. Oh yeah, bro. Yeah, we gotta come to a wheeling thing with him, so y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all stay tuned. Yeah. Yeah. It's a great bike. I love that thing. Yeah, we got a lot more tuning than R7. I have a cage and everything coming for it, so I'm excited. Yeah. That's what's up, man. Hey, bro. I gotta get this for mine too. I'm missing like the bracket. Yeah. I gotta order. I never gave me that when I bought the bike. I gotta get the brakes. Oh yeah, I have the real ones coming too. That's mandatory too. I know. It's worth it. I know. Yeah. I understand, but yo, it is expensive. I will say that. So I'm gonna get a powder coated probably. So, Quality black and yellow, bro. Just kind of make it flow a little bit better. And the stickers on those fall off, so it should piss me off. Within like 2 days, came back from a ride and it was gone. I was like, yeah, that didn't last long, bro. No, I appreciate it. Like I said, I want to switch up and try something new. So the blue looks sick. It was hard for me to. Yeah. No, I agree. I really didn't want to switch, but I was like, I wanted. As soon as you see it, you know it's my bike. You know what I'm saying?
And she was asking, like, what's all his buttons? I'm like, he takes that shit to the track.
I mean, it's all the same shit as that. It's just
Yeah, you can do it with a flaw.
Exactly. Yeah. I love it. It's because of that race bike look. I call it the Skittles. Skittles.
Yeah, I don't know who bro.
Let me know, bro. I will. I doubt we'll be out, to be honest, but I'll let you know if we're pop out. We'll probably load up and then they want to do some other stuff. So, yeah. Hell yeah, bro. Thanks for driving out again, man.
Hell yeah.
Y'all hit that subscribe button for my boy, man. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah, man.
All right, chat. So I want to close this video out, man. It was a great, fun, long experience drive, man. But listen, me and the crew, we made it home safe, man. So it was very enjoyable. We had some fun. And yeah, meeting Fastlane. And he signed our shirts. So that was pretty cool, man. He signed the R1M. So that was pretty dope as well. So yeah. I just gotta close this video out, man. So please continue to like, comment, subscribe, man. Stay tuned for a lot more coming, man. Even though we're getting closer and closer to the end of the season, I'm still gonna push out as much content as I can. And again, I love all the support and all my fans that keep pushing me to keep going and keep pushing out content, man. So I love you guys. Be safe out there. Ride your ride, and most importantly, man, have fun, man. I'm gonna see you guys on the next one.